Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the ultimate oscillator and the stochastic oscillator. All right, we want to find out which of these indicators give better results. Okay, the ultimate oscillator, let's just quickly add both of them to the chart. All right, the ultimate oscillator and the stochastic oscillator, right? So the ultimate oscillator and the stochastic oscillator are both designed to measure price momentum, but they approach the calculation in different ways. Okay, the stochastic oscillator compares the closing price to the price range over a specific period. Okay, it produces two lines, as we can see, commonly called the percentage K and the percentage D. All right, traders often watch for crossovers between these lines, as well as overbought levels and oversold levels. Overbought levels usually above 80 and oversold levels below 20, right? The ultimate oscillator was designed to address a common issue with many oscillators, things like false signals that occur when only one time frame is used. So instead of relying on a single period, the ultimate oscillator combines three different time frames, okay, to calculate momentum. So this multi-time frame approach aims to reduce false signals and provide a more balanced view of market momentum. Now, because the stochastic oscillator is very sensitive to price changes, it can provide frequent signals. This can be used for short-term traders, but it can also lead to noise in volatile markets. The ultimate oscillator tends to be less sensitive but more stable, which some traders prefer when trying to filter out market noise. So in terms of which indicator gives better results, the answer depends on the trading style. Right? Traders who prefer quick signals may favor the stochastic oscillator, while those looking for smoother momentum analysis may prefer the ultimate oscillator. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.